The Fury is built like a workhorse, with a 3-horsepower motor and features to keep the drinks flowing. Where ordinary blenders spin contents around the walls of the jar, often leaving chunks, the Fury's patented wave action system continuously forces the mixture down into the blade, transforming ice from a granita texture into a super creamy drink profile. Convenient paddle switches provide quick and easy operation, and a timer automatically stops the blend for drink consistency, and to enable operators to multitask. The Pulse feature is designed to touch up drink textures to perfection. The Fury stands the test of time from top to bottom. We offer 3 years parts and labor on the unit. Plus, we are so confident in the performance of the blade and all-metal motor drive coupling that we offer a lifetime warranty on both. Inside the stackable, break-resistant polycarbonate jar, the durable cutter assembly design features dual bearings for enhanced jar life. On the 230-volt model, a sensor will turn the motor off when the jar is not in place, preventing careless clutch grinding. With an easily removable jar pad and an all-metal motor drive coupling that doesn't capture liquids, it's easy to clean the Fury. The Fury is available worldwide. Now that's more good thinking from Hamilton Beach Commercial. To find out more about our products, warranties, and other technical information, visit our website at hamiltonbeachcommercial.com.